Hi, this is Richa Srivastav, consultant dietitian and nutritionist from Noida. I'm so glad that I could connect with you today through this video. Are you tested positive for COVID and fighting the infection? Well, you're a brave heart. High five to you. Tell me something, कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपके घर में कोई unwanted guest आए हों? कैसा लगता है तब? You want them to go away really soon, है ना? तो क्या करते हैं हम? मिनिमम बेसिक इंटरेक्शन, मिनिमम कर्टसी, मिनिमम फीडिंग, और जब वो चले जाते हैं तो व्हाट अ साई ऑफ रिलीफ. सो कोविड भी एक ऐसा ही अनवांटेड गेस्ट है. जितना हम उसको खिलाएंगे पिलाएंगे, जितना हम उसके ऊपर ध्यान देंगे, उतनी ज़्यादा देर वो हमारे यहाँ रुकने वाला है. ट्रस्ट मी, फ्रिज खाली कर देगा आपका. ओके, सो जस्ट इमेजिन कि हमारे पास दो प्लांट्स हैं. एक जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से फ्लरिश कर रहा है, खूब ग्रीन लीव्स हैं, अच्छा लश ग्रीन प्लांट. और दूसरा जो है वो थोड़ा विदर आउट कर रहा है. और मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि दो में से एक नेम सजेस्ट करिए ग्रीन प्लांट के लिए और एक नेम सजेस्ट करिए जो विदर्ड आउट प्लांट है उसके लिए. तो मेरे सजेशंस हैं हेल्थ एंड कोविड. सो आप ग्रीन प्लांट के लिए कौन सा सेलेक्ट करेंगे? ऑब्वियसली द हेल्थ, राइट. एंड जो विदर आउट कर रहा है उसके लिए क्या होगा? द कोविड प्लांट, राइट. सो हमको क्या करना है? वी हैव टू स्टॉप फीडिंग द कोविड प्लांट. वाई? बिकॉज अब जितना अच्छा हम फीडिंग एनवायरनमेंट देंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा वो फ्लरिश करेगा, राइट. सो अगर हम उसको फीडिंग एनवायरनमेंट उसका ख़त्म कर देंगे तो COVID is not going to stay for long. It will not be able to survive. So first, let me tell you how not to feed the COVID plant. Stop thinking about it. Your thoughts get converted into energies that manifest. जितना आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं उतना ज़्यादा वो स्ट्रेंथन होती है और उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. ओके, एंड इफ़ यू वांट कि कोविड बहुत फ्लरिश नहीं करे, सो ऑब्वियसली व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. यू हैव टू स्टॉप मेकिंग इट स्ट्रॉन्ग. When you will not think about it, it will get weaker and it will not be able to survive for very long, right? Now let us talk about how to feed the health plant. So there is one very strong doctor within ourselves, हमारे अंदर, right? That is your inner self. So your inner self is so strong that it has all the power to heal you from within. But what do we need to do? We need to connect with it. We need to give it that power. We need to make it stronger. So visualize your inner self. Close your eyes. Visualize that your inner self is getting that, receiving that energy from the higher energies up there and converting all those energies into positive healing wavelength that are spreading all across your body. Do this as many times a day for as long as you want to do. Trust me, it is a very strong manifestation. And this will strengthen your inner self and give it the power to heal you from within. Another thing that you need to do is to connect with your inner child. Gather that happiness. Do the things that make you happy. Write that poetry that you always wanted to do for your beloved. Make that drawing of that majestic mountain besides the pristine lake that is still vivid in your memory. Do that paper craft. Read that book in the shelf that you really couldn't read till now because of the lack of time. Do whatever makes you happy. Happiness creates positivity, and trust me, positivity is a very strong force. Now let us talk about our outer self. Start taking deep breaths from this very moment. Imagine that All the positive healing energies from your surroundings are getting into your body and healing it. What will this do? This will expand your lung. It will improve the oxygen absorption in the body and improve your saturation levels. Second thing that you need to do is to stop being anxious. Anxiety pushes us into a stress mode that causes an imbalance in the hormones, which increases the utilization or the requirement of oxygen in the body. What do we need to do? We need to shift ourselves from anxiety mode to happiness mode. If we do that, then the hormonal imbalance is corrected, hormones are restored to their right levels, and oxygen requirement is reduced. So the demand is less, the oxygen saturation increases. So stay happy, switch to the happiness mode. The third thing that you need to do is to eat right. It's very, very important. Okay. Now, in this video, I may not be able to tell you how exactly and what exactly to eat because I do not know your parameters as of now. But definitely, one thing that has worked really well with all my COVID patients is to eat nutrient dense, small, frequent meals. That has really, really helped because that makes them stronger from within to fight the infection. Okay, and stronger the immunity is, the better you will recover. Eating well, what do you eating well in your illness helps us to minimize the symptoms, control the severity, and speed up the recovery process. So eat right. Last and very, very important thing is hydration. Hydrate really, really well. Your body needs a lot of hydration in this time to recover from any of the illness for that matter. So hydrate yourself. So promise me that from now onwards you will stop feeding the COVID plant and start feeding the health plant. And I promise you that you will soon be back to your happier and healthier self, even much before you realize. So go on, get well soon. You have to thank me, right? Bye, take care.